We are working on different technologies like we are working as a front end, we are working on Angular and React, and also on the back end we are working on Python and .NET Core. Also we are on the reporting side, we are working on the SQL Server reporting services, and also we are also working on the Power BI.
One Technology Services is a US-based software company having 16 years of working experience with top US and Canadian clients. We have head office in USA and offshore company in Karachi. Our vision is to transform life through technology and beyond, and our mission is to become global leader in providing software, technology and services.
So we are providing various services. For example, we are providing app development, web development, customized IoT solutions, and also managed services, and also we are providing web and UI design.
We have D-Rouse, a complete ERP solution that can integrate business process management across all the organization in your office. Our honesty and integrity in doing our business and to honor our commitments.